Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Starbucks Copycat iced chai latte with pumpkin foam. We're going to start off using Italian sweet cream. We're going to put 1/4 of it into a milk frother. We're also going to add a dash of pumpkin pie spice and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin puree. Next we're going to blend it until thick and bubbly. For the tea we'll use a classic chai latte blend. Next, fill the cup with ice and halfway with the chai tea. Then, fill the rest with milk. Now you're ready to pour the foam on top. Just add a dash of pumpkin pie spice on top and enjoy.